Hello everyone, today I will show you how to cancel Elevenlabs subscription, and here's how it is done. First, visit the Elevenlabs website and make sure you are logged in. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on your profile. Next, select the subscription tab. This will open a section showing your active subscription. As you can see, I'm only subscribed to the free plan. Your subscription will depend on what you can afford. Now go to Manage Billing Information or Manage Subscription. Once you're in, look for the Cancel Plan button in the corner. Since I haven't subscribed to a paid plan, I don't see this button. However, if you have a paid subscription, you should see it. Click Cancel Plan, and a pop-up window will appear confirming your cancellation. You will need to choose a reason for canceling before you can submit. That's how you cancel your subscription. And that's everything you need to know about how to cancel Elevenlabs subscription. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.